Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Chef HooLou is here. I'm the most famous ghost in my world, and I'm gonna make you enjoy your moments of cooking. I'm planning to make all the foods and desserts of all nations, but with fun. You can always share your ideas with me for a better performance. So let's start with a magnificent and delicious spaghetti. Yoo-hoo! You only need a pan and a magic HooLou. Now look at the ingredients falling from the sky. They're yummy, but don't eat them yet. Just enjoy your moment. All right, ingredient time. Spaghetti, tomatoes, lemon, garlic, tomato paste, oil, parmesan, salt, pepper, turmeric, and basil. Basically everything that smells amazing. Unlike me, I smell like fog. Oh, how do humans make spaghetti? I'm confused. What should I do now? Is there anyone to help me? Ha ha ha, never mind. Let's play. Add some salt and lemon juice to the boiling water. Also pour a little oil into the pot. Now add the spaghetti to it just like me. Cut the tomatoes to small slices. You can grind them too if it's easy for you. Watch out for your ghosty hands. Oh no, your human hands. Ha ha ha. Chop the garlic as well. You can use onions or even leeks instead of garlic. Who knows? Add whatever you like. Heat the tomatoes in a pan for 5 minutes. Then add the oil and tomato paste. Be careful not to burn your eyelashes. Mine burned once before. Don't forget to add salt, pepper, turmeric, and garlic. Stir well and cook slowly for 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, your pasta will turn out like a ghost. Check the spaghetti. Reserve half a cup of pasta water. Drain it if there was more. Hey, spaghetti, what are you doing? Why are you stuck to my cheek? Chop, chop. Hurry up, spaghettis. Now, as you see, add the spaghetti to the sauce and remove it from the heat. Now, let's serve it on a plate with a beautiful ghost-like design to add excitement to our lives. HooLou, top with fresh basil and snowy Parmesan cheese. Well, look at my art. I should have become an artist. HooLou. An amazing table and a lovely dinner is waiting for you. Be careful not to get your fingers ghosty. Okay, how do I look in this apron? Because our only clothes are just a sheet. Well, 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 how was my first audition? Leave a comment so you don't turn into a ghost. I will be back on Saturday with a vegan pizza. Make me a ghosty promise. That support me by subscribing the channel and follow me on social medias for gifts and surprises. See you then.